Making serious profits as an affiliate marketer with zero money investment is done by countless other marketers every single month. But what are their secrets? We may not be able to get inside their head, but we certainly can pull apart their strategies and look beyond the basics. Getting started with no money investment as an affiliate marketer is absolutely possible, and I'll explain the most important tips here in a moment. Here's what you don't need. You don't need a website, you don't need a business, and you don't need an all-star product. You can easily be successful with affiliate marketing without your own website and simply use affiliate links. You do not need your own business. You don't need to go through the hassle of creating an LLC. And when it comes to products to promote, you don't need one singular all-star product. In fact, most affiliate marketers make their money without one big all-star product. They use a lot of smaller ones. So then it comes down to, okay, well, if you don't need those, what do you actually need? One thing you actually need is an affiliate network. It can be a small one, or it can be a really large one like ClickBank, but regardless, you need to pick one. Then you also need access to an internet connection. You can't post online without an internet connection, so make sure you have a good solid one. It can be at home or it can be at a coffee shop. And the third thing you really need is a social account. You can't promote things online without a platform to do so, so pick one and run with it. How to get started in affiliate marketing involves 2 steps. Number 1, you need to find people to sell to, and number 2, you need to find a product to sell to them. That's as simple as it gets. When it comes to finding affiliate offers, there are a couple things to look for. You need to look for the commission rate, the amount of money you're going to make each time somebody purchases something from your affiliate link, and the cookie duration. The cookie duration varies from 24 hours to as long as 30 days. The amount of time it takes them to actually give their payment information and click buy now and get charged the money for the product that they're purchasing, that is the cookie duration. Some websites limit this cookie duration. For example, let's say somebody clicks on your link in your YouTube description, but they don't buy the product for 4 days, even though they're using the same link to do it. If the cookie duration was only 24 hours, you do not get commission from that sale, so now you don't get anything. But if the cookie duration is 30 days, they can click on your link, add it to their cart, and let it sit in their cart for almost 30 days, and then buy it, and you still get the commission. Long story short, a longer cookie duration means more money in your pocket. Then you also need to look out for different platforms and products. This can be WPX or Adobe or Canva, because they all sell their software as an affiliate product as well, or an affiliate network. Affiliate networks include PartnerStack, Impact, ClickBank, and I'll also have more in my other video as well. So then there's everyone's favorite part, or least favorite part, is getting paid. You get paid when you make sales, and you increase the money that you get paid by increasing traffic to your promotions and your links. Here are some tips to get started to make sure you do it right and you do it quick. Number 1 is consistency. You want to pick a schedule and stay to that schedule, whether it's posting daily or 3 times a week. Number 2, you do not want to give up unless you hit one of 2 checkpoints. You either want to spend 6 months working on the same project, or you want to work until you hit $2,000 in revenue from said project. If you quit before one or both of those things has been accomplished, then your likelihood of succeeding goes down super fast. Number 3, you always want to analyze your competitors, not just the competitors that are at the top of the market, but also the competitors that are just like you and the competitors that are where you want to be. Number 4, you need to set a goal. This cannot be any goal, like, oh, I want to make money. You need to be specific. A good criteria for setting a good goal is to make a SMART goal. This is an acronym. The S in SMART stands for specific, the M stands for measurable, the A is for achievable, the R is for relevant, and the T is for timely. So a good SMART goal, according to this criteria, would be, I want to make $10,000 in the next 3 months from affiliate marketing in said niche on YouTube. That is a great SMART goal because it is timely, it's relevant, it's achievable, it's measurable, and it's specific. Now let's talk about why marketers fail, because the statistic is that 95% of all affiliate marketers and up to 99% of all affiliate marketers that get started fail. The three main reasons why they fail is because they're not fully committed, they're 1 foot in, 1 foot out. They have blind optimism because they signed up for some kind of training program that promised a certain amount of money in a certain amount of months. Then they didn't get that. And now they're sad, they're mad, and they quit. So you need to make sure that you have realistic expectations. And the third reason is because they just didn't have any solid goals. They just walked in blindly, hoping to make some kind of money. They didn't know exactly how much to expect, and they just didn't know how much time to put into the business, and everything just pancaked. Don't be those marketers. These are the best ways to not be those marketers. Subscribe for more free courses. Hit that like button if this helped you. Click the bell to get notified as soon as I release another free course.